Hello everyone! So I just wanted to come on here quick and kind of explain like this whole video because I've been editing it and I realized I literally never explained what I was doing. So I'm basically moving in from my old room, which is like directly across the hall, into my parents' old office, and it was kind of just like empty because they moved down to the basement, and so it was just like a vacant room. And we don't really have a guest room in my house, so my mom wanted to renovate my old room into a guest room. I love interior design and all that, so I kind of just was like very trapped and I couldn't like be creative and like really do anything to it because it was just such a small room. So I mean, it worked out, and now I'm in like a much bigger room that is just not being used, and now I can kind of like decorate it however I want. I have like a little bit more room. I kind of want to make this into like a little series. It'll probably end up being like 2 or 3 episodes, but yeah, I guess I'll leave it at that. I hope you enjoy this little room makeover kind of series. Starting off with my closet makeover, so I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey you guys, so we are currently in IKEA. I'm getting some stuff for my closet. That should be exciting. And we just had some delicious lunch. I had my vegetable medallions. She had the meatballs. I'm not a big meat person. No meatballs for me. So yeah, we're just looking around right now, and yeah, I'm looking at like these cupboard, what is this, like shelving units? I don't know, they're really cute. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm thinking for the actual closet, I want to do 2 dresser units. So one is going to be like a bit taller than the other, and then a shorter one for like pants or something. And then I also want like a bookcase that I can put some baskets in or something like that. I don't really know, but we're just going to look around. So for the closet handles, I'm thinking these ones. These are the whatever that says. Yeah, I'm going to get 3 packs of these. Yeah, and they should look really nice. They're like steel, so it should look good. Okay, I think we have a plan. This one here is gonna go in the big closet, and then we're gonna have like hanging unit, that one in white, and then this one is gonna go in the smaller closet. Now we're gonna go grab the cupboards because I have work, so I gotta boogie. Right, here they are. Oh my god. Alright, welcome to my room. So it is a couple days later. I'm gonna show you guys me building them. Hi guys, so sorry for the echo. Apologize for my hair. It's still drying, a little crazy. But my room is officially painted. My closets are officially done. It looks amazing, so let me show you. Sorry for the lighting, it's a little gloomy out, but we got all the walls painted, and then all the closets are done. So these 2 closets are mine, and then this one's kind of like a storage closet. Totally good with 2 closets though. And I love the handles. These are from IKEA, and then inside pretty much everything is IKEA. My uncle built this awesome closet for me. As you probably saw, I put the dresser together, but then he added like all this stuff and like just made it look amazing. So yeah, I just have like a random like jacket in here. And then I have like, this is the lighting that's gonna go in my room. It's kind of sitting there for now, but all the drawers are empty and ready to be filled with my clothes. And then in the second closet, it's just like 1 dresser unit with 4 drawers. And then I wanna put some baskets on top, which I still have to get. Also, that's a clock. It's just sitting there for now. So those are the closets without any clothes. I was planning on doing that today, so I'm gonna bring over all the clothes in my room that's like right across the hall and then fill them with my clothes. My closet is finally done after 3 weeks of working on it. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you the final reveal and let's see how it turned out.